Okay, deep breath again. Good. We'll do one more deep breath. All the way out. Okay, not much there. I'm just going to lift this up and twist you a little bit.